Hi there, it's Mike Diesel with a Kipp GMC Cadillac Buick Tech Tip. They say hindsight is 20/20, and with the second generation rear camera mirror, it now literally is. How many times have you been in the car and whether there's cargo behind you, there's kids, there's dogs, you can't see out the back window. Now with this camera and the second generation, you can zoom, you can tilt, you can make the brightness brighter or dimmer, and it'll do a few other things. Check it out. The latest in lens technology is an anti-glare hydrophobic coating so water and dirt don't stick. You'll see the buttons underneath allow you to control brightness. It also allows you to zoom in, and you can tilt up or down to get it right at the perfect angle for you. Some vehicles even equipped with a rear washer jet. Packed with more advanced technology than ever and making it safer for you to travel on the roads, that is the second generation rear camera mirror available on the GMC Sierra, Sierra HD, Acadia, the Cadillac CT5 and 6, XT4 5 and 6, and the brand new Buick Encore GX. If you want to have a look, come check us out on Red Deer's North Hill. You can give us a call anytime to set something up at 403-343-6633 or check out kippscott.ca. And that's another Kipp GMC Cadillac Buick Tech Tip.